He's spying on you. Dog, yeah, there's the dog. Are you reading books? Are you reading books this morning? Yeah. Somebody decided to get up at 5:30. No, I know, at 5:30. That's pretty early, don't you think? 5:30. Yeah, I know you miss Dada. Oh, no. Careful. You get out and play. Let's go have some breakfast. Okay. Let me hold the books. No. Oh, thank you for the books. Hi. Is that your new bookshelf? Are there lots of books? See the puppies and kittens book. Oh, hi Maya. Oh, thank you for the kisses, Maya. Yeah, it's a new book. Dog, yes, that's your dog. She wants some breakfast too. You ready to go eat? Are you ready to eat? Okay, Maya. Natalie, you want to eat? Natalie, do you want to eat? Tell Mommy. Eat? You ready to eat breakfast? You just want to play. Okay, let's go eat. Ready to go eat?